You'll discover your favorite Disney characters everywhere you turn with this spectacular Disney Christmas tree that brings over 50 of your favorites together in one place. You'll see Mickey and Minnie, Tinker Bell, Winnie the Pooh, Cinderella, and many, many more, all ready to join in your holiday celebration. With 4 levels of rotating movement, including 2 moving trains, a parade of dancing princesses and their princes, and Mickey playing Santa in a sleigh drawn by 6 tiny reindeer plus Pluto, the wonderful world of Disney Christmas Tree is a treasure of magical motion. Watch as the Disney Express seems to climb ever higher up the 16-inch tree, which is crowned by Cinderella's magic castle and illuminated by 20 brilliant and colorful LED lights. To complete the holiday mood, the tree plays a medley of beloved Christmas carols as the Disney characters bring their touch of enchantment to your celebration.